Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is the common mistakes in English. It is related with English. That means we are doing some mistakes while we are speaking or sometimes writings. Okay, it is necessary to understand the which is error or which is mistakes. Okay, look here. The question is here related with this topic. Read the following incorrect sentences and rewrite them correctly. Okay, here are some incorrect sentences and we have to write them correctly. Okay, look here. The first sentence is here. I come to school by walk. Okay, it is the first sentence. I come to school by walk. In this sentence, there is one mistake and we can easily find that. Okay, and we can correct that. Okay, look here. By walk. Walk is a verb. We can't use here walk. Okay, it is the mistake. So we can write or we can correct it. I come to school by walking. Okay, by walking or on foot. We can write here also on foot also. On foot also. Okay, remember this. I come to school on foot. Also, we can use here by walking. Both are correct. Okay. Now look here. The second sentence is here. My age is 14 years. Okay. The first mistake we saw that, and look here. The second sentence. My age is 14 years. Full stop. In this example, we have to rectify. We have to correct the mistakes from that example. Okay. Look here. This example we can write in this way. I am 14 years old. I am. Okay. My age. It is, look here, here we use the first subjects. Okay, I, that is the pronoun. I am, here we use to be verb. Okay, I am 14 years old, and here we use old. Okay, instead of this my age we use here old. Okay, instead of this age we use here old. I am 14 years old. Full stop. You can write this sentence in this way. Now the third sentence is here. You must write all your notes with ink. Okay, and look here, in this sentence there is one mistake. Okay, with ink, we can't write that with ink. Okay, remember this. When we use with when we are using any instrument like a साधन. ओके, ज्यावेळेस आपण एखाद्या साहित्याच्या साहाय्याने यूज करतो त्यावेळेस with वापरत असतो. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. You must write all your notes in ink. Okay, instead of with you can use here in. Are you getting that? The correct word, that is the ink. Okay, you must write all your notes in ink. Okay, notes कशा लिहायच्यात? शाई मध्ये लिहायच्यात. Okay, शाई सह नाही लिहायच्यात. Are you getting that? Okay, in the place of with you can use here correct word, that is in. Okay, you must write all your notes in ink. Now the fourth sentence is here. It is a high time we take globalizations seriously. Full stop. Okay, globalization seriously. Full stop. Okay, in this example there is one mistake. Okay, according to this sentence meaning you can use here the correct form. It is high time we took. Okay, look here. Take, in the place of take you can use here took. The correct word, that is. It is a high time we took globalization. Okay, globalization seriously. Okay, are you getting that? In the place of take you can use here correct verb, that is the took. Okay, that is the mistake. Okay, take, that is the mistake, and you can use of in that place took. Okay, it is a high time we took globalization seriously. Full stop. Now the fifth sentence is here. Look here. Roberts was injured yet he performed good in the finals. Okay, who injured? Robert was injured yet he performed good in the finals. Full stop. In this example there is one mistake. Okay, and we have to rectify. We have to write there the correct word. Okay, Robert was injured yet he performed well. In the place of good, do you know that good? Okay, good or goods carrier, you heard about that. Okay, now in the place of good we use here well. Are you getting that? Robert was injured yet he performed well. Okay, in the finance, in the place of good we use here well. That is the correct word and that is the mistake. Okay, in writing. So it is the common mistake. It is the common mistake. We can rectify it and we can use here well. आता इथं या ठिकाणी गुडच्या ठिकाणी आपण काय वापरलेले वेल. गुड हे काय आहे तर या ठिकाणी मिस्टेक आहे म्हणजे मिस्टेक आहे ते वापरता येणार नाही. आपण या ठिकाणी आपण काय वापरू शकतो वेल वापरू शकतो. ओके, नाउ द सिक्स्थ सेंटेंस इज हियर. द प्रिंस ऑफ द Persia, it is one country name. Okay, Persia spent days and nights devising schemes to extract. Okay, look here. Here is the word to extract revenge from his enemies. Okay, in this example, while you are reading, that time you can easily get the which word is mistaken. Okay, or misspelled. That is the extract. Okay, extract means that means the passage like that. Okay, look here, and the exact answer is the prince of the Persia spends days and nights devising schemes to exact. Look here, this is the actual word. It is a mistakenly written here. Extract. Okay, now that is the correct one. Exact. Okay. The knights devising schemes to exact revenge from his enemies. Are you getting that? बघा या ठिकाणी extract हा चुकीचा शब्द आलेला आहे, mistakenly वापरण्यात आलेला आहे, त्याला आपण रेक्टिफाय केलेला आहे. The prince of Persia spends days and nights devising schemes to exact revenge from his enemies. Now the last sentence is here. Don't you think most criminals are going scotch free nowadays? Question mark. And now the answer is, look here. Don't you think most criminals are going scot free nowadays? Look here, scotch. It is one wine type. Okay, scotch. Scotch means wine. It is a like a wine name. Okay, and scot free. It is a one that it is released for in any words. Okay, the correct word is scot free nowadays. Okay, are you getting that? Without fear. Scot free means without fear, like that. Okay, or scotch, it is the name of, in the place of scotch you can use here scot free. Okay, it is the common mistake in writing. You can correct it. Okay, with your practice. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.